Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best IKEA storage drawer is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of furniture for any home, offering a practical solution to declutter and organize your living space, whether it's a small apartment or a large house. These drawers are designed to fit seamlessly into various room aesthetics, providing ample storage without compromising on style, making them a go-to choice for anyone looking to maximize their home's functionality and visual appeal. Number 5. DEVAISE 5-Drawer Filing Cabinet Under Desk. Introducing a stylish and practical filing cabinet designed to fit seamlessly into any office, studio, or workspace. Its simple yet functional design complements your decor. Crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly particle board, this cabinet is built to last. It's scratch-resistant and water-resistant, ensuring long-term durability. Easily move this cabinet wherever you need it with its 4 smooth rolling casters. The front casters feature brakes for added stability, or you can remove them for stationary use. With 5 spacious drawers, this cabinet offers generous storage for all your documents, supplies, and essentials. Each drawer supports up to 18 pounds, helping you maintain an organized and efficient workspace. Assembly is a breeze with the included instructions, and cleaning is simple with just a damp cloth. We are committed to providing excellent products and service for your satisfaction. What we like. This cabinet offers excellent mobility with its lockable casters, making it easy to reposition as needed. It provides spacious storage across 5 drawers, perfect for keeping your documents and office supplies organized. If you're looking for a versatile storage solution that can move with you or stay put, this is a great choice for a home office or studio. What people say. The drawers are great on the tracks, with easy glide, and the cabinet door doesn't close super slow, but doesn't slam either. The drawers work smoothly and the rolling wheels can be locked in place. The drawers are not as deep as the front panel, they're shallow, but for storing makeup, small items, scrapbooking, papers, the depth is ideal. Number 4. Best Choice Products 6 Cube Storage Organizer, Black. Introducing a versatile storage solution designed to adapt to your needs. Customize the layout with removable back panels, mixing open and enclosed sections for a truly personalized setup. This multifunctional organizer is perfect for any room. Effortlessly display your favorite books, decor, toys, and other essentials, keeping your space tidy and stylish. Ideal for your entertainment area, it perfectly accommodates TVs up to 38 inches wide. Enjoy ample space for game consoles and other media devices, all neatly organized. Crafted from durable engineered wood with a sleek laminated finish, this organizer is built for longevity. It boasts an impressive weight capacity of 208 pounds, offering sturdy support. Assembly is a breeze, taking as little as 30 minutes to complete. Its lightweight design also ensures easy relocation, making it a practical addition to any home. What we like. This organizer offers a highly customizable storage experience with its removable back panels, allowing you to create a mix of open and enclosed spaces. It's multifunctional and can serve as a bookcase, display shelf, or even a media stand for TVs up to 38 inches. If you appreciate flexibility in your storage and want a piece that can adapt to various needs and display items beautifully, this is the one for you. What people say. They were easy to assemble, very sturdy, and the quality is much better than I expected. The white color looks clean and bright, and the cube size is ideal for storage bins and toys of all sizes. A handy small screwdriver and extra hardware is included, so the only extra item you'll need is a hammer and, if you prefer, a power drill if you think using the screwdriver is too much work. Number 3. JIUYOTREE 3-Tier Rolling Storage Cart. Introducing the JIUYOTREE 3-Tier Rolling Storage Cart, designed for modern living. It's built with high-quality iron pipes and durable plastic trays to hold your items securely. This cart features 4 360-degree wheels, 2 of which are lockable, allowing you to move it anywhere with ease. It's perfect for bringing your essentials right where you need them. Its multifunctional design makes it ideal for any room. Use it in the kitchen for groceries, the living room for snacks and books, or the bathroom for toiletries. It comes with extra hanging cups for small items and convenient handles for easy maneuvering. The hollow patterns ensure air circulation, keeping your stored items fresh. Setting up this cart is a breeze, requiring no extra tools. Our customer service is also ready to assist you with any questions within 24 hours. What we like. This cart is designed for ultimate convenience with its 360-degree rotating wheels and included hanging cups for small items. Its sturdy construction of iron pipes and plastic trays ensures it can hold a good amount of weight. If you need a mobile storage solution for tight spaces like a kitchen, bathroom, or small office, and appreciate the extra utility of hanging cups, this rolling cart is an excellent option. What people say. This 4-tier rolling cart is a practical storage option. It was very easy to assemble and took me less than 10 minutes. The cart has 4 shelves that provide a good amount of space, and the wheels glide smoothly and make it easy to move around, and the locking feature is a nice touch to keep it securely in place when needed. Easy to put together. Good size for craft projects, bathroom or kitchen supplies, does the job as a standing all-catch to keep better organized. It's a very sturdy, easy to assemble and looks great in the space I bought it for. Number 2. 12-pack 116 Compartments Fabric Drawer Organizers. Introducing our 12-pack drawer organizer set, featuring 116 compartments designed to meet all your storage needs. Keep everything from socks to leggings neatly organized. These organizers are designed to fit most dresser drawers, making them ideal for bedrooms and dorm rooms. They come in various sizes to accommodate shirts, bras, socks, ties, and more. Crafted from thick non-woven fabric with reinforced stitching and sturdy plastic boards, these organizers are built for long-term durability. They are breathable, odorless, and resistant to deformation. Setting them up is a breeze. They are lightweight, foldable, and can be stacked to increase storage capacity. When not in use, simply fold them flat for easy storage. Beyond clothing, these versatile bins can store household supplies, makeup, accessories, and even Christmas ornaments. They are perfect for any room in your home. What we like. This set provides an impressive 116 compartments across 12 bins, offering extensive organization for various clothing items like socks, underwear, and accessories. Made from durable non-woven fabric with reinforced stitching, these organizers are built to last and can be easily folded for storage. If you have a lot of small clothing items and need a comprehensive system to declutter your drawers and closets, this pack is ideal. What people say. The drawer is easy to assemble and fits perfectly in the designated space. The drawer slides smoothly and holds a good amount of items, making organization much easier. Number 1. Criusia 12-pack drawer organizers, gray. Crafted from tough non-woven fabric with reinforced stitching and sturdy boards, these organizers are built to last. They maintain their shape for years, ensuring reliable storage. This set includes 12 pieces in various sizes, 4 large, 4 medium, and 4 small. You can mix and match them to perfectly fit and maximize your drawer space. Beyond just saving space, these dividers bring a sense of order and calm. Easily find what you need, from socks and underwear to shirts and ties. When not in use, simply remove the baseboards and fold them flat for convenient, compact storage. They are portable for use anywhere you need organization. These are essential for dorm rooms and apartments, helping to keep your closet and drawers neat and clean. Enjoy a clutter-free environment with these practical solutions. Made with odorless material, these bins are especially great for storing baby clothes. Keep tiny garments neatly organized and easily accessible. What we like. This organizer set features a rigid structure with sturdy boards and excellent stitching, ensuring it maintains its shape for long-term use, and it's made from odorless material, making it safe for baby clothes. The collapsible design allows for easy storage when not in use. If you're looking for a reliable and space-saving way to organize drawers for clothing, especially for delicate items or baby clothes, these bins offer great value and organization. What people say. These bins and dividers fit nicely in dresser drawers and make it easy to separate onesies, socks, bibs, and little pants. Everything has its own place, so mornings are much less stressful when getting the baby dressed. The organizers are sturdy and well-made, holding their shape without collapsing, and the soft gray color looks clean and modern. They're lightweight and easy to wipe down if any spills happen, which is great for everyday use. You've got 4 large squares, for mediums, and 4 small bins, so you can mix and match to fit your drawer perfectly. It's like a customizable storage dream. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.